mbabwate chi throw pillows echuchire chichingencho au na bwego ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echura onchura ne buno kuganya kwa okole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echuchire chechi 7 seater na bwego ne chechi 6 seater echuchire chechi rangi ne chi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echura tumeke asoko beke TV ya obu ya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato murwelio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu biga ngorangora wika wakolire tonyole imeyo muchobo songo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitali ya nyangena boigo dabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echuchire enote sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enote sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asenka ya olero Nilan Hub, where style, comfort and quality meet.
Morago bomyo mwanche umurigereria werituke gari 15 ritukura Jumatano EKEONGA CHINSA IKOMI asenchira yobwenge inchenga treni NYABOGA ensemo yebimanyerere torenera Wilson Makori Kevin Ongeri nero gochukone kechibichana mariwengo kirachira asenchira yoboikirano waiga Wilfred Matundra nero tobwate maiga yechi kamera. EKEONGA CHINSA IKOMI togo chaka kurase skuri ya sekondari ya IKOMI eyo asama tukamagega ya kumete anene mona asechigosori korende asemya ke menge ya beire ke korikia amachibo amabe asamatemu a KCSE kawo kwana negetasini kega niko mwarimu monene bwe skuru eyo oyo igoro mogeni musubati Evan Chetambe ayaire na goteba na kogosia abanyakenyoro asoko gendera kokoria bube bwe skuru eyo asabono asabira abanyakenyoro gotuma abana babo gochase skuru eyo yani gagocha magega ya skuru eyo koira abana batana na babira se university na bo igokonyora emini grade ya 4.6
4.6. I look forward to Getembe doing better. We should be playing in the league of 7 and above. Wanafunzi wetu wengi wanatoka katika jamii ambazo uwezo wao kifedha uko chini. Unakuta kwamba tuna idadi kubwa sana ya watoto ambao hawawezi kujimudu kulipa karo. Kwa hivyo tunawasaidia. Wengi zaidi tena wanategemea basari. Halafu unakuta kwamba pia changamoto la pili, wazazi wanaotoka katika kijiji kinachozunguka shule yetu hawajatupa watoto vizuri, na tungependa kuwatia moyo kwamba shule iko nyumbani, nataka isaidie nyumbani, watupe watoto zaidi. Changamoto la tatu ambalo tunapata katika shule yetu ni kwamba shule yetu ilianza kwa msingi ya kucheza mpira wa futiboli. Kwa hivyo watoto wengi wanakuja hapa kwa sababu ya uchezaji. Kwa hivyo kama shule zingine zinaweza kukataa mtoto kwa sababu ya matokeo, kwa sababu ya changamoto kwamba hafanyi vizuri kimasomo, sisi hatuna hiyo nafasi, tunawachukua wote.
Toko genda wikasi eskuru ya mekomoni gotoke bunge ya machoge abwaso mwarimu omwanene bwe eskuru yezekiro Kenya asabira abayibori n'ababwatani bonsi gosire eskuru eyo asabona aboriri abayibori bwe eskuru yo gutuma abarokyo kuche eskuru.
Ntino mwalimu wezekiro Kenya principal ya mekomoni bia sabotalese eskuru yeto ndagani nkwanire gore amatemo ya soka 2024 KCSE skuru yeto yatemo kurabia na jitao mwaka uri mutinyu gatatu na improvement ya wirase performance skuru ya watemini ya 3.3 one skuru yetemi ya chete 6.8 tutabona 15 university ono twakire ngamya munasi muke bali bakarata stakeholders management school kuba muno gase bali bakarata skuru ya tambo kora bisa mutemaya
na ababwatani b'ekisemi korase county ya Nairobi nigo besokire na gwakire koko aso umurobire umuye bw'ekisemi OCBC asibataire nigo rache koene kyabaibori ngo babare abamanyi nabo igo abachaki b'ebintu ao.
I feel being engaged, a learner acquiring the skills of creativity, being responsive. So these are things that prepares a child for future, prepares a student for the workplace. So it's not about the knowledge and skill acquisition right now, but it's about the future of an individual, the future of a child.
Going forward, I wish to state that we are not only preparing students for the local zones or the national grade. We pray that our learners be those that will fit in the global market as innovators and what I would call creators of several items and innovations that will make them be the who is who in this particular.
Na oyo kabeiro moseneta we county ya Nyamira Kennedy Mong'are nigesokire na kumwakira raire koko aso guchikuranira ekiroko kyo chairman ase kiombe kya AUC. Omusike Kennedy nigari kire egetabu asa kiroka how and why Raila will win ase obubuyobu.
Raila has a lifetime of diplomatic engagement. He has skills in building alliances. He has crisis management and conflict resolution, understanding of Pan-Africanism, and the diplomatic edge in Raila's candidacy.
If we give this enigma an opportunity and is given the support of all Africans, the AU needs to be transformed so that, for instance, we'll give proposals at an appropriate time that AUC must have a members of parliament akin to the Pan-African Parliament in South Africa, so that each growing generation will be embedded with the spirit of Africa. This song, the African anthem, you tried to fumble about, can be inculcated in our children, so that when we are gone, they call themselves Africans. That's the reason.
Na aba watani bari bakwegerera obwene bw'abanyabu bamwanya bantu ni babana besokire na kumusaba omudirector w'ekiombe kya NIS kweri webutia osekweri kya kwetigia emirimo muri moryoka yanigakire magega yomo waziri w'obokoreri bwe serikali Justin Muturi komomocha igoro yo kubwatwa kwa basai.
We call as Justice Alliance, our call to Mr. Kanja is to institute a radical surgery of the police service. One, to disband all these secret units that exist before his appointment and create policies and programs that align with modern police best practice.
And I would also like to urge the NIS boss, that is Nordin Haji. Abductions are unlawful in the very sense of the word. Let us arrest people procedurally. If we feel like people have broken the law, institute procedural arrest and take them to court.
Inaonekana kwamba Douglas Kanja alikuwa sawa na imeonekana kwamba polisi hawahusiki vyovyote na utekaji nyara. Ila tunachotaka kusema
serikali ya Kenya nigo yairireira yogocha gokonya abantu bari bamenyete no barema abantu gwetanya chiribu emerongo ibere.
To ensure the procurement, the warehousing and distribution is done in the most efficient manner. We have had great sessions with the council in terms of identifying those special medicines and other health products and technologies that people with disability require. We have done the specifications, the needs. As you have been told, over 20,000 people require these products. We have mapped them. We know exactly where they are, which facilities are closed, and now we embark on procurement to warehouse in the right conditions and distribute the last mile.
Or rather part of the greater initiative of universal health coverage, and what does it mean to persons with disability, especially those who are on essential drug therapy and other forms of medication all through. As you know very well, different forms of disabilities have different attentions, requires different interventions. But the kids with autism and other related developmental disorder, Kenya is quite a big country, and the level of development is varying, but we have health facilities across the country. So we felt with the CHINSA, we have to procure those drugs, we have to use their warehousing and also distribution, and so that all the client or all the persons who are beneficiaries of this program will access those services.
Na umurai wekia mausibo mabwa ipaka Ronso Msioka niga sokire na kumubore umurai wensi ya Kenya musike Daktari William Samoei Ruto kusikia serikali amona ba Kenya ayaniga achire magega ya baraya bange komochia serikali igoro yo kubwato kwa basai asabona boriri serikali gose serikali kubwato ka basai bari babwatire.
Whose loyal opposition will not sit back and allow this disgraceful attempt to take us back into the dark days of fear and oppression. We shall lead from the front. We've actually demonstrated leadership from the front because we've been in court. We'll fight them in court, we'll fight them in the streets, we'll fight them everywhere. We demand that Mr. Ruto respects Kenyans and the oath of office he has sworn to preserve under Kenya's Constitution 2010. We also demand the immediate release of the remaining abductees. We actually have a date on the 27th with the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kanja, before Justice Bahati Namui. And they know what the ruling was by Justice Bahati.
Mwancho muriga yomana yanda mangino chukanyara ase kionga CHINSA ibere ne CHINSA inye chobo tukobware rongo saba ogendre kobwatia na gochengera emiroberi ya Getembe gosembyo anena mono umurobiro vibes on vibes yo chikaretwa na DJ Reeves inchenka NYABOGA magage kamera twari ngenere Wilfred Matundura Wilson Makonero ne kichibicha na nere oyenga sense moye bimanyiriro na boy go kevidongeri nero ene kichibicha na morengo ikrachira senchira yo wekerani.
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichiko n'ebintu bigutumika